Welcome to US Auto Reviews. Today we're reviewing the 2025 Kia Picanto, a compact hatchback that proves good things really do come in small packages. The 2025 Picanto gets a fresh new look, and it's more stylish than ever. At the front, the updated grille design is sharper, paired with sleek LED headlights and sporty bumper detailing. The compact proportions make it perfect for city driving, while bold lines and alloy wheels add a bit of character. Around the back, you'll notice redesigned taillights and a cleaner rear profile that gives it a more modern vibe. Step inside, and the Picanto continues to surprise. Despite its small size, the interior is thoughtfully designed. The dashboard layout is simple and intuitive, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a new digital driver display on higher trims. The materials are decent for its class, with improved textures and soft touches in key areas. It's cozy but practical, offering good headroom and legroom for front passengers, and usable space in the rear for shorter trips. Under the hood, the 2025 Picanto is powered by either a 1.0-liter or 1.2-liter petrol engine depending on the market. Both are tuned for efficiency, making this car ideal for city commutes. The handling is light, parking is effortless, and fuel economy is excellent, perfect for daily urban life. As for pricing, the 2025 Picanto remains one of the most budget-friendly options out there. The base model starts at around $14,000, with higher trims going up to about $18,000. It offers great value for first-time buyers or anyone looking for a reliable and stylish city car. That's it for the 2025 Kia Picanto. Like, comment, and subscribe to US Auto Reviews for more car content. Thanks for watching.